The challenge of ensuring fair wages in Bangladesh's ready-made garment (RMG) sector while maintaining its competitive edge is a multifaceted issue that demands careful consideration and nuanced solutions. The RMG industry has long been a cornerstone of Bangladesh's economy, providing employment to millions and contributing significantly to the nation's exports. However, the persistent struggle for fair wages amidst global pressures for low production costs has created a complex landscape where the rights and livelihoods of workers often hang in the balance. At the heart of this dilemma is the need to balance the demands of international buyers who seek the lowest prices with the rights of workers who deserve fair compensation for their labor. The garment workers in Bangladesh, many of whom are women, toil in challenging conditions for wages that often fall short of meeting their basic needs. The disparity between the cost of living and the wages paid to these workers raises ethical questions about the sustainability of an industry built on their backs. As global awareness of labor rights grows, so too does the pressure on brands to ensure ethical practices throughout their supply chains. One potential solution lies in fostering a culture of corporate responsibility among international brands. By committing to fair trade practices and implementing transparency in their supply chains, brands can help ensure that workers receive wages that reflect their contributions. This requires a shift in mindset from viewing labor as a mere cost to recognizing it as a vital investment in the sustainability of the industry. Brands must understand that by supporting fair wages, they not only uplift the lives of workers, but also enhance their own brand value in an increasingly conscientious market. Moreover, the role of the Bangladeshi government cannot be understated. Policymakers must create an environment that supports fair wages while simultaneously encouraging competitiveness in the RMG sector. This could involve implementing a living wage framework that takes into account the rising cost of living and inflation. By establishing a legal minimum wage that aligns with these factors, the government can help ensure that workers are compensated fairly while also providing a stable and predictable operating environment for manufacturers. Additionally, the engagement of labor unions and worker organizations is crucial in this dialogue. Empowering workers to voice their concerns and negotiate for better wages and conditions can create a more equitable system. Collective bargaining can serve as a powerful tool in advocating for fair wages, allowing workers to unite and demand their rights in a structured manner. This not only benefits the workers, but also contributes to a more stable workforce, which is essential for the long-term sustainability of the RMG sector. Furthermore, the introduction of technology and innovation in the industry can play a significant role in enhancing productivity and efficiency. By investing in modern machinery and training for workers, factories can improve output without compromising on quality. This increase in productivity can help offset the cost associated with raising wages, thereby allowing manufacturers to remain competitive in the global market. In conclusion, the path toward ensuring fair wages in Bangladesh's RMG sector while keeping it competitive is fraught with challenges, yet it is not insurmountable. A collaborative approach that involves international brands, the government, labor organizations, and the workers themselves is essential. By prioritizing ethical practices, implementing supportive policies, empowering workers, and embracing innovation, it is possible to create a garment industry that not only thrives economically, but also champions the rights and dignity of its workforce. The journey may be long, but the potential for a more just and equitable RMG sector is within reach, promising a brighter future for all stakeholders involved.